The fastest way to earn more Klover points is to complete the point-earning activities that are currently available inside the app, instead of waiting for points to accumulate automatically. By the end of this video, you'll know where Klover points come from, how to earn them more consistently, and how to avoid missing opportunities to add to your balance. If your goal is to increase Klover points quickly, start by opening the Rewards or Points section in the app. Klover lists the activities that currently earn points, and completing those tasks is the most direct way to grow your balance. Next, keep your account fully set up. Make sure your bank account is connected properly, and complete any identity verification steps requested by Klover. Some features and rewards may not be available until your account setup is complete. Check the app regularly for new earning opportunities. Klover occasionally updates its available activities, promotions, or rewards, so opening the app from time to time helps you avoid missing point-earning options that may only be available for a limited period. If Klover offers optional activities such as surveys, offers, or other engagement features, complete the ones that match your interests. The app credits points according to its current rewards program, so using the available earning methods is more effective than waiting for points to appear on their own. It's also a good idea to keep the Klover app updated. New versions can introduce additional features, fix reward tracking issues, and ensure that completed activities are credited correctly. After updating, reopen the app and confirm that your recent activity has been recorded. Before spending time on any earning activity, read the requirements shown in the app. Some rewards are only credited after every listed condition has been completed. Checking the instructions first can save time and help you avoid missing a required step. If you've completed a qualifying activity but your points haven't appeared, review your points history to see whether they're still pending. If everything is complete and the points are still missing, contact Klover support with your account email and screenshots of the completed activity so they can review your account. To recap, earn points by completing the activities listed inside the Klover app. Keep your account fully verified, check for new opportunities regularly, and review the requirements before starting any task. Following the available rewards program is the fastest and most reliable way to build your points balance. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Klover tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and app guides.